You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this syllable? Let's learn the English pronunciation with different words. Very common words. The sound in English of the letters SH together is as sh, not ch, that would be CH, rather sh, as in shape, shape, the shape of an object, shirt. I am wearing a shirt today. Shoe. My favorite shoes are white. A ship. In the water, on the ocean, sail ships. Ships. A shop. I love going to the shop. Share. I share my pizza with my friend. Share. Short. My neighbor is short. Sh. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.